morning, everyone. We are over here at Pratuna Market early in the morning to shop for this little girl because she only brought 2 pairs of socks and maybe like 3 outfits. So we're gonna do like a quick shopping for maybe like an hour and a half or so, just to grab a few stuff. And then today we are flying out to Chiang Mai. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kelly's the one who told me to pack all that stuff.
Kelly told you, so you're blaming Kelly now?
Yeah.
Look at you with your green tea. Big old size. And that was how much? $1, huh?
Really?
That's like $1 for that, huh?
Oh, really?
And look at you with all these clothes right here. Okay, keep looking.
I'm just...
This one? The unicorn? Okay, so not the Ariel then. Okay. Okay, show us what you got. Look at you. Shopping for all this clothes.
How much?
How much do you think everything costs?
Like $100.
$100? No, I don't think it costs $100.
Everything was...
Maybe everything right here, it was probably like $40.
Yeah, that's cheap.
It's cheap? Are you sure it's cheap?
Well, that's cheap for all this stuff.
Are you
In America,
happy?
it'll be like $1,000.
$1,000. Are you happy? Yeah? Are you ready to go back home?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. Say bye. We'll see you at the airport.
So we have a very big adventure today. We are going to Chiang Mai. Today is day 3. So the first day we picked up Lucy, George, and Chris. The second day we picked up everybody else. And then yesterday was the big day. Wait, today's day 4. Today is day 4.
For me, yes. Yeah.
So right now we're heading to Chiang Mai. We got a very big van, and then yeah, we're gonna go check out our second home. How does it feel to be home?
Home?
It feels good.
It's good to be back here.
Yeah.
Away from like all the traffic.
Yeah.
I'm so tired of all the traffic.
Me too. I was
And
super
Grab
tired. Yeah.
Ready to go back on that motorbike.
Every ride
Super.
was like 300, 400, 600, 800. I was like, God.
Isn't that 300? I think the most expensive was the 900. Was going to the
Airport. I
It's
don't remember
crazy.
grabbing that expensive. Alright.
Let's go.
Bye-bye today.
Wait, it's right there?
Yes, it's all the way over there.
I can't.
I'll let you peek. I'll let you peek.
I can't.
The playground. It says Playland.
I can't.
Okay, don't look at it yet. Wow. Elena, yummy. Okay. So we're going inside the arcade, and Elena already went first because she just couldn't wait. But
Where'd she go?
Fun City.
That's so cute.
What? Oh yeah, you like it? You're gonna go inside, right? Are you gonna go inside?
I'm gonna wait for Paul because he's so crazy.
Oh, I'm too big. Ah! Woo!
What's up? Alright, so we just checked in.
okay.
Just kidding, we haven't, but YOLO! Do it!
Yeah, cannonball, cannonball.
Whoa!
Alright, I'm next. I don't think it's...
And this is not our house, guys. Guys,
Is it diveable? I mean, not
this
diveable.
is not our house.
Did you hit the...
Ah, you thought.
I'll come. I'm going to just...
Okay, now you can jump. Oh my god, you crazy. So crazy. Okay, we made it to our house. We made it to our house. Wow, it's so nice and fancy. This is our dining table. We got a kitchen. There's a room over there, but I'm not gonna give you a tour because you have to go out. so I'm not going there. But here, oh my goodness. This is so nice. This is so worth it. Oh my God, Eugene.
It's beautiful.
It's so nice. I don't know how my tour is going, but you can go upstairs.
It's pretty big.
Or go ahead and go upstairs here.
This is a big bathroom.
Whoa. We won't be fighting for the bathroom no more. Huh? Okay, we can eat spicy today, guys. Okay.
I think the lights I think that's on the lights.
Oh my God.
Ooh, it feels stuffy up here.
Yeah.
I think I might just sleep down here.
No, babe, there's a room that you have to go outside.
Oh.
We can, no, but there's 2 beds in there.
14A. It's a big old room.
What? Whoa.
This is like another living room.
Whoa. Oh my God. I haven't taken a bath in a year.
Right?
Yeah. Mom and Dad deserves this one.
Huge. There might be a bigger one too.
This is like the master.
Yeah.
Master.
Wow. Mom and Dad. Can you go out?
Yeah, there's a little balcony area you can go out.
Okay, it didn't look like this on the website. This is even
The
better.
pool's right there. Okay.
It's not safe to jump out, right? Where's the pool?
There's more rooms.
Okay, show us.
This is a small room, but each room has a bathroom.
Yes. Oh, yay!
There's a door. Okay, there's a door.
There's a door, yes.
Is this a big old flat screen TV?
Yes. Okay, go show us the last room. It's downstairs.
Okay. There's actually a bed. You can sleep here too.
Giving us ideas.
If I will be sleeping here.
Yeah, yeah. This one could be the boys' room. Dun dun dun. I know. Look up pour. So nice. It's so early. Yay, go George! Woo! Oh wow, Bridget!